Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. After that this is search button, you can see, and just enter the model number of motherboard Z790 AORUS Elite X Wi-Fi 7 and then hit enter. Then click on the product. See, this is your model number of motherboard. Just click on it. So this is your motherboard, you can see this photo and all. So this is specifications. So click on support. After, you can see there are three models showing here: 1.0, 1.2 and 1.1. So motherboard different, but driver, all driver is working both three systems, all three systems. Okay, select any, no worry about, because driver installations, driver downloading method same, driver also same, so no worry about it. So you can see here, and after that just first click on select your operating system, which is operating system requires a driver, Windows 10, 11, but installations process same, Windows 10 also, Windows 11 also. First download, after that I show you the installations. First audio driver, you can see this is SD audio driver, and this is versions, this is size, and this is dates when it is posted on the website. Always try to latest and then click on these icons, it will start downloading. Then chipset, so lot of driver you can see in the chipset, so require only two drivers, serial drivers. I click to download. So around Intel management engines, the firmware, this one is also important. Okay, and same, click to download icon. So when you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. You can see here it is downloading of the Intel management engines firmware. Then the LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can see this is for the internet which is using by the LAN, and you can see this, click to download, it will start downloading. Then the VGA driver, just click on it, VGA, Intel VGA driver, display driver, graphic driver, you can see, and this is download icons to click. Then VLAN and Bluetooth, so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, VLAN means, WLAN means Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi, and this is Bluetooth. Okay, and just click download also, and this one also only for the Wi-Fi. So you click on this icons, down icon. After that you can see this is downloading one by one, you can see here. Okay, so first complete it, and when you, after it is, when you completed, just click on this icon. When you click, after that open the folder where it is downloading. If you don't know what is your download location, so no worry about it, just click on it. Then I show you how to install your system, this driver. Okay, so this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations, just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same, close it. You can, then this one, right click and extract all, one by one do that. then this, right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So this is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back. Then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back. Then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, Same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back, then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver. This is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.